Hello. Now we are going to discuss about the behavior which is changed with the keyword by abstract. So, abstract is the keyword, we know it is the non-access specifier or non-access modifier. Say for example, someone is working in a company. Now, some people are want to design some standard. Okay, if new employee will come, say for example, the employee is trying to design the template or some buttons. Okay, these are the buttons. So, the buttons will look like this way. So, if company is trying to implement something and they want to make some standard, some signature fixed. Say for example, whenever you are using anything, you are writing your code, that code must be written within a specific signature. Okay, so this the signature, the outer signature must be same, and the method, say for example, void meth, this method must be used. So, the name or the signature of that particular task that we are trying to define, to make it fixed, we have a particular keyword that is called abstract. So, by this, say for example, if an organization having a specific uniform, say for example, if one person is selected for an organization, and when he enters in that organization, he must wear a specific dress or uniform, or specific having some icon, specific signature. So to make to identify that thing in proper way. So, for this purpose, this particular abstract keyword is given, and now have a look how the behavior using this abstract keyword will change. So, if a class is declared, if a class A, if it is declared as abstract, so if we try to, if this is a class, if it is a class and there is another class like in this class, if, say for example, there is public static void main. Okay, so in this particular public static void main, whatever signature is there. Okay, in this case, if I try to create the reference variable of a m equal new a, then what will happen? So, this will arise compilation error. So, that means if a class is declared as abstract, then we can't instantiate that particular class. Okay, we can't instantiate. If another class also, like class B or class C is trying to in class B we have public static void main or something, we are trying to initialize this one or instantiate this one, we can't do it. How? So, this class, how it can be accessed? How it can be accessed? It can be accessed, yes, it can be accessed definitely by help of extending. So, I must write, so class B extends A. If I do that, by this way we can able to access this class. So, this is one thing. So, one class, if a class is declared as abstract, then that class cannot be instantiated, only we can able to extend or inherit. In our inheritance lecture go through what is inheritance, and there we will found this keyword. By help of extend keyword, we extend or inherit the property of other class. If a method is declared as abstract, say for example, I have written a method abstract void display. This method can be anywhere, and some statements are there like a system.out.println, say for Java, I am trying to print something. So, if a method is declared as abstract, we can't able to provide the body, or we can't implement this here. So, only the purpose of abstract here is to only to provide the signature only. So, this is error, this is wrong, this is compilation error, this will throw some compilation error, and if we want to make it correct, so we have to write abstract void display. Okay, that's all. So, this is a signature. Look, if you have entered in a company and they are asking you to design something, and they have provided you the method name. and you just use this method name, and you then you will by help of inheritance, I will show you how you can use this particular method, and by help of inheriting that particular method, the method name will be same, the signature will be same, the return type will be same, whatever return type is given by the organization. So there is a protocol designing the signature of the all the things. So that will be given, and you just write the code inside it. So in organization, by yourself, you can't write your method name also. Okay. Now, say for example, in a class, if we have this is a class, say for example, class A. In this class, if there is some abstract method as defined, like this class, say for example, ABSTRACT abstract void display and another method void, say for example, method METH something. Now something SOP, I am displaying something, okay, Java, okay, whatever syntax is. Okay. So we are, if a class having this method is abstract, this method is non-abstract method. So this class must be declared as abstract. If now how we can able to use it? We can use it by help of inheritance. I told you. So if I inherit this class, then I have to write class B extends TNDS extends A. So class B is inheriting class A. Okay. Now if we have inherited this, now if we want to inherit it, and in this place we must this must be right void, because this is automatically inherited, because all the properties are automatically inherited, we know by help of inheritance property. Void METH is automatically there, and void display 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 must be implemented here. Here must be something SOP, something we are trying to, we must display. This must be there, and it must be public also, as that can be accessed by other. So by help of this we can able to access this method. Now if remember, if in the inherited class, if you don't want to implement this abstract method, then this must be abstract, this class must be abstract. So in a class there can be abstract or non-abstract method. If there is one abstract method is present there, the class must be declared as abstract. If a class is declared as abstract, then that cannot be instantiated, only the purpose is to extend or inherit. If a method is declared as abstract, that in that place where it is written as abstract, in there we can't implement it. In the inherited class we can implement it. In the inherited class, if we want to implement it, if you implement it, then okay, then make it public and write the body here, or otherwise if you just keep it like that way, just make abstract, make this class A as abstract, class B as abstract. Thank you for today. If you have any query, you just write in the comment section. Okay, thank you.